What's up, guys? Woke up about an hour ago. 2 dogs barking, and I was like, oh, my strut's here. My strut's here. Time to put it on the green car. Yes, 4 weeks, blah, 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 blah. No, it's the exhaust for the Miata that said would be here in a month, and it ordered it 2 days ago. So, how come I can get a full exhaust, but I can't get 2 pieces of metal for that? Come on, dude. Come on, with the balls. But Miata, working on it. Yeah, y'all haven't seen this video yet, but let's just say the grain car is going to make some power once I narrow it out a little bit more. Different video, you can just the little thumbnail for it. So we got the hood on, got the body lines all good. That didn't take long on the Miata. It's dusty, still dusty. I still gotta order a tarp before I can actually wash it because I don't want to get this new carpet in the last video dirty. But I mean, look at that. Ooh, a little couple of fuzzies. I don't know if that's like part of the carpet or if it's part of the garage or dust. But I gotta get it. Started working on the center console, figuring it all out. I gotta order a shift boot, the whole rebuild kit for that. So I'm at a pause on it. And yeah, that's pretty much all that y'all missed off camera. I put the hood on. Yeah, and I made a TikTok. So if you want to see that, that's in my link tree. But ordered that. What are we doing here? So going to not show that. That is my address. But there's the catback exhaust for the Miata, which is just a giant tube with a bazooka on the end of it. It's like a shotgun suppressor on Call of Duty. But we're gonna get it put in. I have to go check on my sister-in-law's dog because they are currently out of town. And while I'm out, I need to go get 4 bolts, boom, 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 from the cat in the from the mid pipe to the cat back. Put this on, do some sort of power hit down the road, check for some leaks. If I have that one collector part and it's leaking, I'm not worried about it right now. I want to get everything else done. We'll pull the header back out and weld that flange together like I talked about in the last video. But I don't think it leaks. I don't think it's leaking. We'll find out here in a bit when I put it under pressure, or I'll leave it in gear. So I'm gonna take this with me, go get me a bolt about double that thickness, even though the other pipes aren't gonna need that. Some good old grade A, good stuff. Something that might not rust out. And then, yeah, we're gonna plop that bad boy in and start it up. And it probably won't sound like a dying lawnmower anymore, which it does sound like a dying lawnmower. So I will end the video here like this. Yeah, I broke my door handle. Yeah, I gotta go get one of those too while I'm at the hardware store. But yeah, it's time to quiet this mofo out. All right, we are back with the power of editing. I edited out 2.5 hours of my life. Got our exhaust, we got our car, we got our cat, and we got our bolts. So I'm gonna jack her up. I don't think I need to get to the rear. I think I can just back her up on the ramps. So we're gonna back her up on the ramps. And yeah, we're going to put this exhaust on. Hopefully it quiets it down. I'm even gonna tripod it too. I want to tripod the startup just so you can hear the before and after pulling off the car to see how ear-wrenchingly loud it is. So I'm gonna put you on that, and yeah, we're gonna get it done. Come on. Yeah. Rashawn, I think you have someone to run you up on your money on obnoxiously loud. But hopefully it's not like this anymore. And I can get this on. I can finally dial in the tune, the timing. I mean, that's about it, honestly. We'll take it for a test drive. Smack a GoPro on this bad boy and clean her up, see what she does. So make sure she shifts good, brakes good, but I don't want to sound like I'm doing a 8th mile pull in a Honda SI, because that's what it sounds like in my personal neighborhood. So yeah, we're gonna smack her on, get her going, be done with it. I'm excited. Alrighty, the GoPro died, but I had to get some ratchet straps to help with these bushings, pushing them together to tighten up the cat, the meow meow. But I couldn't get it to. I bought too short of bolts. I should have bought longer ones and just took my time tightening them in. But yeah, we got it all on. The rest of that paper will melt off. This obviously will not melt off though, or it will, but I'm gonna pull this all off real quick. I'm gonna take the bubble wrap off and we'll do a startup on it. See how she sounds. Hopefully she sounds way quieter, more timid. And I just got a notification that the shifter rebuild is in the mail. So I'll go to the mailbox and we'll grab it too. I'm excited. But yeah, we'll do it. We'll take it off, do a test drive, and yeah, we'll probably end it there. That'll work. I don't know why I keep winking at the thing. I don't understand why I'm winking at the camera all the time. Like, it's weird. I think it's weird, or maybe it's just my thing, you know. But I'm excited. I'm very excited. So I'm gonna get a knife real quick and cut this off. I don't know why I'm whispering either. Maybe I'm just out of breath. But fat life. That's my life. Alright, so we're gonna get this sucker on or off, and we'll get her going. No wink that time. Ha ha! Here goes nothing. Ain't too shabby. Oh. There is a little rattling, and I noticed it when I was under the car, where the PPF tube, the power plant frame or whatever, it is right by the bar and it looks like it's rubbing it. So I'm going to probably just take a cut and cut that part of the tube out to where it shuffles. But I did notice it had scoring on it before, and I'm pretty sure maybe that's just a thing that happens to these cars. But we'll dial it in. We're gonna take it for a test drive though. I'm gonna hook you up on the old GoPro 5 suction mount. These things are the best things that I've ever gotten. My brother-in-law gave these to me for Christmas, and I'm pretty sure I've used these on every vehicle I own. S10, big old Betty over there, the mower, the green car, the Miata. There's so many, like, and they're light, like one finger, like whoop. Like, come on, I can hang these on my wall. Love them. If you see them, Rhino Rants, go get you a pair. Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna hook you all up on the GoPro, clean up this mess. I'll clean it up later. We'll just back straight out. Let's take it for a test drive. Hopefully she sounds good. I mean, she did sound good in the car, so, or inside the garage. But open throttle, under load, that's what I want to hear. We'll probably hear the bang, bang, bang a little bit, but I'll cut that out later on. I gotta go to work soon, so we'll end the video on the drive. So I'm pretty sure 95%. Oh, you're a little off. I'm gonna get you just a little bit over here. Guesstimate that looks good. So pretty sure 95% and probably 80% of this car has been worked on, and these flip-flops. So what better way to break it in than with these flip-flops? Oh, it doesn't go any lower. You can hear it a little bit up there. It sounds so much better though. Oh, my ears are happy. I'm happy. I'm sure you can hear me talk right now. Oh, this is exciting. Oh, it's bright. Smashes into the S10. See, it's very minuscule where it's tapping. I can fix that. I can do it the built by belt way. Oh yeah. What? Hate my neighbor's dogs. Every new car I drive around, I have to threaten to hit her with it. She leave me alone. But my gosh. And that's the FedEx driver. It's alright, buddy. I know who you are. I know you're out there serving the Purple Promise. Serve that Purple Promise. Serve it! Ooh, keeping it gear sound. This is gonna be already smell the exhaust burning. I'm trying to get that glue from the tape plus just the exhaust thing. Oil pressure's good. Brakes are phenomenal. Those slotted brakes, I can feel. Maybe this car's just very small and it just sticks. Man, feels good. Feels really good. Shut up. It's kind of like an adorable like growl. Like it's like a baby puppy and then it clanks. But pretty sure I got it hot enough. The only damage I saw on the tip, it looks like it was dropped in shipping. But it wasn't FedEx, it was USPS, so screw those guys. But I'm gonna clean this up. I mean, look at the here. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? I don't. Man, I'm so happy. I really am. I'm beyond ecstatic. It is becoming a car again. They're actually gonna tag it for me to where I can drive it to work, because I'm gonna be driving it to them. It's like 12, 14 hours to Colorado. So that's a long drive. I wanna make sure I don't have anything messed up on it. So they're gonna tag it for me. I'm about 30 miles from work. So that's a 60-hour-mile day. Wait, 60 mile day of just kind of highwaying it, making sure everything's good before I send it to them. But I'm gonna send them a video of it here soon. In the video here, because we're done, I'll go pick up my the shifter kit. That'll be another video, because this one's probably at the mark where I want it to be, and I don't like putting things together. So this is exhaust, that's manual, shifter. Man. And I got mosquitoes in my garage. I don't know why. My wife is extremely allergic to them, so she can't really come out me all the time. So I think I'm gonna fog in here too, because I'm getting sick and tired of these mosquitoes just being in here, pissing me off. But dude, look at it. Just look at it. It's beautiful. I'll catch y'all later. Y'all enjoy it. That'll be almost. We got a lot of projects on this channel, and it's not gonna end because the wifey's project's gonna be coming soon. We'll talk about that when it comes to that point. But I mean, we got the green car, we got the Miata, Rashawn's 300Z LS swapped Holly Terminator T56 big boy chop cammed car. It's more to come, guys, and I'm happy to start recording it all. The weather's getting better. Weather's getting better. It's cooler. I'm gonna mow actually here in a minute, but yeah, guys, we're getting there, and I'm pumped. I hope you guys keep going with the channel. There's more to come. There's a ton more to come, and I'm just ecstatic. There's that feeling when you put something together where you watch someone spend, like Rashawn's, for example, 6 months on his car, and the face you see when he starts that up and it runs, it's like nicotine. It's a drug, and it just feels good. There's no better feeling than driving something that you built. It's a good feeling. So if you like those feelings, drop a like, hit subscribe, because there's going to be plenty more where that came from.